You know I'm back, like I never left. Another sprint, another step, another day, another breath. Been chasing dreams, but I never slept. I got a new attitude and a lease on life is a piece of mind.
We have never had it so close. And when I say it's so close, y'all, both schools donated 263 pairs of shoes. Both.
Exactly.
Both. That has never happened. So guess who determines the winner? This truck right here.
Sophia guessed 126, and that is exact as well.